Are you wondering if YouTube TV carries Newsmax? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether this news channel is available on YouTube TV. If you're looking to stay updated with Newsmax's programming, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently include Newsmax in its channel lineup. Newsmax is a conservative news network that isn't part of YouTube TV's standard package or any add-on options. This means you won't be able to access Newsmax's live broadcasts or shows directly through the platform. If Newsmax is important to you, consider exploring alternatives, like subscribing to a cable provider that includes it, using an over-the-air antenna, or checking if Newsmax offers its own streaming app or website. Keep in mind that YouTube TV focuses on major networks like CNN, Fox News, and MSNBC, but niche channels like Newsmax are often excluded. If this video helped you understand the current status of Newsmax on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.